Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm doing a unboxing. Okay, and I think it's black owned and operated. But let me tell y'all, I have not received my crayon case, and I think my crayon case products was supposed to have been here. So here it is. It's called Slay Glam box, and it came in a bag last time, and it's actually in a box this time. So it is really cute. And it's an unboxing. I kind of sort of watched some others, but not. So let's get my initial reaction. I'm on my break at work. Okay, and I did my regular routine, wash my face, and I put my serums on. Let me see. Can y'all see? I put my serums on, and the ones that I showed y'all, I put them on. And I've been doing like little spot treatments. I do like this first and kind of let it dry, or rub it in, let it dry, and then I put my serums and stuff on, rub it in on the rest of the face. I finally kind of pulled that off, as you can see. Okay, so the first one that we have is right here. This is Rasha B Cosmetics. Okay, and it is a liquid liner. I mean a chrome liquid eyeshadow. So let's just tap it right there, just a little bit. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's like a greenish, yellowish gold. It's gold with greens, and see, it's like a chrome type. You see a pinks, but it's glittery, which I don't like. Okay, but it's very pretty. The color is, let me tighten this up so it can stop moving. The color is very pretty, but it got that glitter, y'all. And then this is the liquid lipstick. And this is their name of a shade. They have a shade name. I guess this would be shade number 9 or 6 right here. I don't know if this is my shade or not, but I like it. It says liquid lipstick. It's kind of a Marvy, right? Can y'all see that? It's cute. I don't have my lip liner with me, so and this box is very inexpensive. I think it's like $20-something. So These are the two palettes. So this is something that came out. It is called Cara, like Tara, and it's in shade Envy, and it's a pencil, so it's a little brighter than the actual lip product. Okay, but I'll try it. And then this is the Glow palette for the face, and this is the sleeve that it comes in, and this is the palette. And I don't have many face palettes, but look at all these different shades. Now I saw someone unboxing theirs, and they was talking about like kind of giving theirs away because they didn't use all those shades for colors. How do I get in here? So let's swatch. I was kind of listening to something. Here's the green, here's the purple, here's like the rose. And these are more satin. These are more like satins. Let me see if I can pick it up and get y'all to see. Lord Jesus. These are more like satins, if you can kind of sort of see. Oh, these are nice. And this is for like people who are kind of like more casual than, if you don't like a whole lot of bling. That is so pretty. And then we have this bronze color. We have like this what color is this? Like a champagne, and then we have like a gold. Okay. And that's the whole palette. I like that protector being on there. I really do. And so here's like the champagne, and here's the bronzy gold color, and then here's the yellow gold. So let's watch. Oh wow, these are pretty. Oh my God, and that pink is so pretty right here. I might put that on my eyes. Let's see. I don't know if y'all could really tell, really get the effects of it. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, and it's called Moara Celestial Love, and it's really pretty, and it opens up like this. I don't know what I'm about to do. It's just a light in here, and then it got wings. That is so cute. And then here's the palette, and then there's the back. Wow, this is cute. And it's really, it's more of a nude palette, okay? And I'll swatch some of the shades for you. Let's go in with mine, which is like a caramel type brown. And I did wash the other swatches off, which is a caramel type brown. It look kind of cool tone, ashy on me right here. And then you got spicy, which is a reddish brown. And we're gonna go right there next to it. Okay. Okay. And then we got soulmate, which is your dark cool tone brown. Okay. Well, actually, it looked more like a burgundy or plum. Is it gonna? Yeah, that it has a lot of burgundy red in it, so that's cool. Okay, and then let's wash our fingers off. Let's go into, so I went into these matte shades at the bottom. I'm going to go into this pink. Okay, and then I'm going to go into, ooh, pretty. That's Barbie, right? And then I'm going to go into blushed, which is like a brownish green. Let's watch. Oh, that pink is pretty. And so you really, it's just, this brown right here has a little bit more green to it, in my opinion. But it's still more brown. Okay, so I'm not going to swatch all of them. So let's get into like this Marby pink. This Marby pink shade. And since we already did a lot of other pinks, let's get into like this kind of, it's almost like a beige type pink. Okay, and let's swatch these. These pinks in here are pretty. I am not gonna lie to you. They are so pretty. I'm gonna have fun with these pinks. Okay, let's go in with some shimmers. And I do like this box. I think it's great. So let's go in with, I'm gonna swatch this Fire Haze, which is a dark shimmer. Then we're gonna go in with Angelic, which is more like a pinkly purple shimmer. And then we're going in with Bella, which is like a pink white. It's a this is more of a satin pink, if you ask me. So let's swatch these. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my God. That one's a little glittery, but look. This is a nice palette. And I'm really not a pink. Hey, y'all, I'm not a pink girl. I'm not a pink girl at all. So for me to like this palette, it's not even that many purples in here. This is nice. And I thought about getting a Jeffree Star palette, although he's canceled or something. So I'm like, no. So if you was interested in Jeffree Star and you don't like that he was canceled because of whatever reason, I'm late to the game, not quite sure why. So that's that palette right there, the Celestial palette. Just put it back in here. Here's the Face Glow palette. And I'll probably try these on during lunchtime. This is the initial unboxing. And then here's the pencil and Envy. Okay, we're gonna put that back in the box. And then we have a liquid lip and we have liquid chrome. Okay, so we may try these at lunchtime. And I'm hoping I have not ran over time because they do be watching like a Hulk child. So thanks for watching. Bye.